Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change to dub in Crunchyroll. First thing you will have to do is to change the show from sub, so Japanese, to dub English or other languages. On Crunchyroll you no longer need to look or for a separate dub season. Crunchyroll has merged these into single video file with multiple audio tracks. So within the video player, so on the browser, let's say, I will continue watching this. So this is the most direct way to switch languages while watching. Click on this gear icon and then click on audio. Now pick the English audio version. As you can see, for this particular anime, there is not this audio track, but for most there is. So just pick the English and continue watching. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.